Yo, hello guys and welcome back again to another video. In this tutorial, I will show you how you can actually download shader and use them inside your game. What shaders do is it upgrades the quality of your game and makes it look so much different and so much beautiful. For example, as you can see in this picture, that's how your game is supposed to look with shaders on. But of course, it will take more of your RAM, your CPU and graphic card. So make sure that you have the requirements and don't use anything that will destroy your PC equipment. After you have the requirement for the shaders and you check that you have any graphic card, any decent graphic card and 8 GB in your RAM and a CPU above 5th generation, this will be good for us to go. Now what we can do is download this T-Launcher from tlauncher.org and then click on download TL and choose whatever you have from Windows, Apple or Mac and Linux. Now after you do it, it will be opened like so. You click here and just sign in by clicking on this account or just type your name in here. Now go ahead and choose the latest version and make sure that it's on the Forge Optifine. You have to be on Forge/Optifine, not only Forge and not only Optifine. It has to be both. So after you do it, enter the game and let's go back here and let's download the shader. From here, click on download texture and let's go here also and click on download. I already downloaded it, so I will not download it again. Now we wait until Minecraft opens, so let's give it a time and it will be opened in a couple of seconds. I think it's closed. Okay, here it is. Let's give it a little bit of time and here we go. Now after you download your shader and your Minecraft opens, we'll go ahead and you click on options. Let's just wait for my Minecraft to open and here we go. I think, yeah, now it will open for us. Let's go to options, video settings, shaders, shader folder, and here grab the thing that you downloaded, the file that you have downloaded it, and paste it here as a zip file. Don't paste it as a shader like that. This will not work for you. As you can see, it will not work at all for you. Let's join the game with this on and I will show you the difference between shader and no shader gameplay. I will come back to you right after I open the world. So now my world is supposed to be opened. Let's wait a little bit and loading turn. Okay, so as you can see, this is my world with this file. Which is the wrong file, video settings, shader, and this is my world with the shader on. So that's how my world is looking now. As you can see, too many details and even there is shadow. Look at the tree, has even the shadow of the tree itself. There is the shadow of yourself. There is bunch of cool details that you will be exploring during your game. So yeah, that was it for today's tutorial guys. If you enjoyed it, please leave a like and thank you guys for watching.